Hi, Miss M6586. Please introduce yourself.
Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. I'm Karen C. Gumintong. I'm 33 years old. I'm single mom and I have four kids, one twin, 15 years old, 12 years old, and 8 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I have work experience in Saudi Arabia. I have seven family seven family in the house. There are four adult and two grandchild and one elder. I am I'm an I'm all around cleaning for washing, ironing, and cooking sometimes.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores,
Yes, sir.
right? Then you have seven members of the family that you took care, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you taking care of the grandchild. How old the grandchild is?
4 and 7 years old, sir.
Okay, since you don't have experience taking care of a newborn, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature or I will check the diaper if full, and if it is I will feed and I will put here for burp
Okay, so you will put on your
and shoulder.
shoulder
Yes,
to make it birth,
yes, sir.
feed the baby, and also change
Yes,
her diaper.
yes.
But if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
I will tell to my employer that the baby is not stop crying.
Okay. What is your motivation to work abroad?
My motivation to work abroad is to provide my family need of my family and to my children because they are go schooling.
Okay. It is okay to you to take care of pets or elderly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as the employer wants me, sir.
Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I'll check in YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You could watch on YouTube, and also you can buy some recipe books, right?
Yes, sir.
Or if your employer have a time to prepare food, you could ask them if they could teach you,
Yes,
right?
Yes, sir.
If your employer prepare food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to share job.
Yes, sir.
How about taking care of pets? It is okay to you, right?
Yes, sir.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes. So,
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
yes, sir.
Color your hair into black.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer or one of the family of your employer doesn't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is okay to you to um, prepare the foods of your employer, right?
Yes, sir.
How about your message for your future employer?
Hello, sir, ma'am. Please hire me. I'm a good helper and honest, and I will do my job good. Thank you, sir.
Can you promise also to take good care of their children as your
And
own?
yes, sir. I promise that I will take care of your children.
How about it is okay to you to take good care of their children as your own and also respect their family
Yes, sir.
and follow the rules and
Yes, sir.
regulation?
I will.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
Miss
sir.
Karen.
Ma'am.
Thank you. Okay.